Hello to all the beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Guys, today's vlog is going to be interesting vlog since me and few of our teachers of our school along with the students will be going to Tinjurey, and it's a nature camp which has been provided by Forest Department, Government of Sikkim. So we'll be going there today and I will also be vlogging it for you. So guys, this nature camp, it's been promoted by Government of Sikkim, and students will be getting a wonderful opportunity to observe nature, to study about the nature. So I would like to thank the government for such initiative.
22
So total how many students are going? 22, eh?
Right now we have 22, some more may report.
Okay, sir.
22, no, 23. 23. One boy has gone over there. Students, 23 students have reported. Some guardians, they didn't give NOC in the last moment, so that is why.
Yeah, okay. So detailed information about this camp, sir.
So the Forest Wildlife and Environment Department, they have sponsored this nature camping program. So our school, Sir Tashi Namgyal Senior Secondary School, we have been selected among some of the institutions, very few institutions in Sikkim, for going to this nature camping program. So today we are going to this Tinjurey, Golitar and Tinjurey, where our students will be observing nature, the ecology. They'll be observing plants, animals, the different kinds of birds that is there. So they'll be also observing the animals as well as plants and bird species. We have binoculars for them. We have other equipments also.
All the materials.
We have all distributed all these caps,
bags, caps, notepad, you have a pen also.
Eco-friendly pen and all these different stuffs are there.
Last time only we distributed,
Yes,
so I'll be putting that video also.
Okay, so and basically it's an educational trip. Educational trip. So sponsored by the Forest Environment and Wildlife Department, and being organized by the Eco Club of our school.
So thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So everyone, you are excited?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll have a wonderful trip, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So Sudhanshu, do you have anything to say regarding this camp?
Yes, ma'am. I want to say that my name is Sudhanshu Bujil. I'm from class 9.
Okay.
And I want to express my gratitude towards the school and the government for giving this opportunity to go to a trek. Thank you.
Okay. Hi guys, so we are about to head to Tinjurey now. So join me on this journey. So guys, we reached here in Golitar. So this is the starting point for Tinjurey.
Wow, very tasty.
Very tasty. So our trek has started, and talking about Tinjurey, it is a famous trekking as well as hiking spot. People from Gangtok, they flock to these places for hiking. Actually, Tinjurey is located in Phambong-lho Wild Life Sanctuary, and it is the highest peak of the sanctuary. So here are my students. This tree is split into two. यो बाटो पनि टफ रहेछ है, बिस्तारै आउने चिप्लिन्छ उकालो जाँदै। Thanks. Walk fast, walk fast. So guys, I've been to Tinjurey 3 times and this will be my 4th time. And earlier it was all forest road, forest way only, but now चाहिँ अब cemented बाटो बनाइदिएको रहेछ. This will be quite easy for students. Bird watching. देख्दैछ भाइ? Sadly, but there's no छैन है अहिले. Getaway to Tinjurey. So we are recharging ourselves. We are adding fuel to our body.
Everyone has left us, only 4 of us are there.
Only 4 of us are here and I Rihan पनि छ. यता डिकीमा
Hi,
म्याम.
we are all tired and we're recharging ourselves.
यता डिकी म्याम. यता चाहिँ म छु. I am having banana now.
We are enjoying the
है?
nature.
We are enjoying the peace. So finally, after hustling for so long, we reached first jury. Your first jury, na? Second or third jury पनि छ नि. Incense burning. चाहिँ हाम्रो गाइड फरेस्ट गाइड आगे आउनुहुन्छ. आगे तोके यता मेन चाहिँ के होला तिनजुरेमा चाहिँ खास शिवजीको स्थान पनि भन्छ नि है.
हजुर, यो चाहिँ अब हुनु त अब यहाँ नेपालीले आफ्नो आफ्नो उयो छ. नेपालीले अब तिनजुरे भन्छ. तिनजुरेको मतलब चाहिँ अब 3 टप्स अफ हिल भन्छ है. सबै पूजा गर्छ. प्लस हामीले चाहिँ अब भोटियाहरूले के भन्छ यसलाई चाहिँ थिङनम्पो भन्छ. थिगुङनम्पो भन्छ कि. यो चाहिँ जो चाहिँ अब हामी यो कञ्चनजङ्घाको चाहिँ मेसेन्जर अरे नि त. हामी त्यही मान्छ. जति पनि हामी बुङथिङहरूले यता गाउँको सबैले चाहिँ हामी योलाई चाहिँ यो डाँडा मान्छ. हामीले पूजा गर्दाखेरि अब योलाई लिएन भने चाहिँ उसको नाम लिएन चाहिँ हुँदैन रहेछ नि. यो चाहिँ अब लिनै पर्छ. त्यसले गर्दा कतिजना आउँछ. पहिला अब औँसी पूर्णे आउँथ्यो मान्छेहरू आएर यहाँ राति बसेर पूजा गर्थ्यो. अब यो 2013मा आगो लाग्यो. आगो लागेदेखि चाहिँ अलिकति अब यो खुल्ला भएको छ.
अनि शिवजीको स्थान चाहिँ हैन.
शिवजीको पनि स्थान अब कतिजना आफ्नो आफ्नो उयो छ नि. यहाँ
मान्छ नि है मेन
छ. अब मेन यहाँ पर टप छ. त्यहाँ चाहिँ अब शिवजी.
यो चाहिँ फर्स्ट जुरी है.
फर्स्ट जुरी.
दिस इज फर्स्ट जुरी एन्ड सेकेन्ड र थर्ड चाहिँ पर छ है.
हजुर.
मेन चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ जुरी हो? मेन पिक
मेन त
चाहिँ
अब यो यहाँ अलिकति भाउ छ. यहाँ पर छ नि. अब यो तपाईँ यो सिधा यसको माथि छ.
नै ए उता हैन.
हजुर. अहिले त्यहाँ चाहिँ हजुर
क्लाउडेड रहेछ.
खुलिँदै छैन त.
नै
यही हो.
ए नै.
अब यो सेकेन्ड भयो. त्यो थर्ड चाहिँ यो टप देख्दैछ.
यो चाहिँ सेकेन्ड है.
हजुर.
द्याट वान इज थर्ड.
थर्ड चाहिँ अलिक हाइटै छ. त्यहाँ जान अलिक डर छ. तपाईँहरू अहिले जानु भएन. बाल लड्नुहुन्छ कि.
खासै हामी गएको नि कि पहिला म साथीहरूसँग आएको थिएँ. त्यति बेला गएको थिएँ कि क्या साह्रो छ है यस्तो कालो. इट्स भेरी उयो नि स्टिप. तिमीहरू पुगेर आयो?
Yes, ma'am.
अरे छिटो रहेछ त.
म माथि. ए उ पर.
पहिला चाहिँ डल्लै फरेस्ट फायर लागेको नि होला.
हजुर.
त्यही त त्यति बेला कि हेलिकप्टरमा उयो सिन्टेक्सहरू पानी ओसारेको थियो नि त्यति बेला चाहिँ.
टक्कै लागेन हामीलाई.
तपाईँहरू पनि थियो त्यति बेला? अरे वाह. स्टोरी भनिदिनु न अनि सेयर गरिदिनु न यस्तो.
प्रायः त यो चाहिँ यस्तो छ नि. अब त्यति बेला केटाहरू आउँथ्यो यहाँ बस्थ्यो. यहाँ मुनिपट्टि बसेर चाहिँ 31 डिसेम्बरमा आएर बसेछ. बसेर चाहिँ उनीहरू खाना पकाएर खाएको थियो. आगो निभाएछ. आगो तापेको चाहिँ नानी भाइदिँदा चाहिँ बितु जलेको नि. यो चाहिँ मोस्ट पुरा थियो नि त्यति बेला. यो बितु बन्द भएर गएर चाहिँ त्यहाँबाट आगो त्यो हावाले फुकेर जल्यो. त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ लागेको नि.
विन्टरमा नि फेरि है त्यति बेला ड्राई सिजन पनि हो. त्यही आगो चाहिँ कसरी निभायो? डल्लै त्यही माथिबाट
हेलिकप्टरले पनि गर्यो. हेलिकप्टरले अब 22 ट्रिप गरेर पानी हाल्यो. त्यहाँ हामीले पनि अब फायर लाइन काटेर मान्छेले मेन पावर पुरा आएको थियो नि. मान्छेले पनि अब जग्गा गएर फायर लाइन काट्दै त्यसै गरेर कन्ट्रोल गर्न सक्यो.
So today's weather in Tinjurey is it's not that hot, it's not that cold. It's a bit clouded right now. And it's perfect for trek, guys. It's really peaceful and calm out here.
Hello friends, we have finished our Tinjurey trek. We have with us Karma, Dikidoma and Pinso. We have finished our whole trek and we are returning back to our base, and it was a great trek for us. It was so refreshing. We enjoyed the whole trek with our students of Tashi Namgyal Senior Secondary School. Now we are moving back. Thank you Mother Nature for giving us such a beautiful weather. We enjoyed the whole trail, we enjoyed the whole scene.
Yes,
thank you, we did it, we completed the trek.
It.
Thank you friends.
Hi. Bye bye. So I'll catch you down there. So we are back to our base, Golitar. There is one beautiful rhododendron tree here. Did it finally. So you all enjoyed today's your hike? Tell something. Really enjoyed it. Say something, no? Rian. You can say it in Nepali also, no worries. भन्नु त मजा आयो
ठिकैको
यस्तो बर्डहरु चाहिँ हेर्नु पाएन है
थाक्यो
बाइनोकुलर्समा चाहिँ हामीले उयो गरेको थियो हेरेको थियो बट वी डिडन्ट गेट है टु सी बर्ड एन्ड अल अनि नोटबुकहरुतिर लेख्यो तिनीहरुले ए ओके ओके ऑल इन अल इट वाज अ गुड हाइक है माइन्ड रिफ्रेश भयो हैन
नेचरसँग अलिक भए पनि घुल मिल्यो
त्यही त अब उयो तल जानु ल So guys, we finished having our lunch and we are already down here. So it was really an amazing adventure for us as well as our students. It was a really good hike. We enjoyed a lot. So on behalf of all my colleagues and my school, I would like to thank Government of Sikkim and Forest Department for initiating such programs for us. So I hope in the future also we get such opportunity. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, do give it a like, share and also subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Take care.
Subscribe.
Like, share and subscribe.
Subscribe to her channel.
Thank you.